before I'll give German people their updates, I'll first start for the one of Italy. Mona for still have some things there. Alright, you get one thing when I want call attention to everybody. This is a new year. This one a new year when it be like say it dey very very fresh. We just dey start an act, so tomorrow everybody go start work. You get one thing when I need to explain give una. For those of una be like say una like to rely on bonus. In this year 2022, not too much rely yourself for where bonus dey. You have to now work and then pay tax to Italian government, because there is difference between you are working and then you are not working. In this country called Italy, if you are working paying tax to the government, expect it to be that you are a very important person. Now something will be like say it makes sense well. Anytime, any day, when the work finish, you get say yes, the government will not take your responsibility for some times. It depends on how long you don't work. Most times, while they make this video, most of when they call me about the latest updates when I upload about the Reddito, the Emergenza, how the government still they talk on how to approve a new decree. One thing when I go understand be say, depending on the bonus is not the major way forward. The way forward now, this 2022, find by all means on how you go take look for work. You go start to the work, they pay tax. It is very important. Most of our brothers and sisters, nonetheless they get them for mind say yes, work not there for Italian side, work not there for Italian side. But if you not search for the job, you go feel say you not there. I can remember years ago, many years ago, when I always they talk say Italy self work not there, all those kind of stuff. But today I can tell you that if I want change work go another place, I will do it, because I have the idea and then the mentality will state that there is work here in Italy. So make una not to rely on bonus. With that your 6 months document, 2 years document, 5 years document, search for work. They say what till they look for, now wait till you they get. So the more you search for the work, the earlier you will get it. So that is just it. Don't always depend on bonus. It is very much important for you. So now so it just be. Now listen to this information where be like say Italian government, they don't still they tell us say the coronavirus it they increase and that of the Omicron virus. Now why I won't make this video give you now this particular update coming from Italy. Now to let you know say to they wear this mask, it is very much important. Most especially if you dey outside with these Oyibo people will be like say you don't know them. You need to wear the mask. It is very much important. Listen to the the infection rates which they have already calculated as of today, being on the 2nd of January 2022, Sunday 2nd January 2022, with the numbers of COVID in Italy. He said data and news from the Civil Protection and Ministry of Health region by region on coronavirus infections. He said here, hospitalization and deaths in the country while the Omicron variant is advancing and the daily cases rise. He said, here are the number from Lombardia and Campania, Toscana and Lazio, Puglia and Sicilia. He said, the bulletin of the big cities like Milan, Rome and Napoli, the points on the vaccination campaign and the 3rd doses. Now, as it dey be, Italian government, very soon, they go start to talk say, if you not get your 3rd vaccine, you not go fit do anything. All these things, we will never know where the world they go again. Now, let me read a little bit forward. He said here, there are 6,367 coronavirus infections in Toscana today, 2nd January 2022. Now, I don't want to read anything much again. Waiting, I want to explain, give people like say we do for Italian side. Sometimes we dey take things to just be common, but at the time we need to protect ourselves from all this virus of 18. Though our system is strong, but that one not go make you say yes because say you be African. You go just there for streets, they go outside different places without masks. Now the government don't talk and say you will be like say you they go outside, they go walk, they go anywhere, transport means. You need to use this kind of marks, this particular marks when una they see for here. Now waiting Italian government don't talk say yes, this is the type of mask we have to now put on in this form. So now waiting they don't talk with that one. So So you won't be like say you never know how the virus they increase based on the numbers of hospitalized people. Though now all those old men, the thing they affect well. So you being an African person does not mean that yes you are exempted from it. So I beg, I just the report am make people for still know. Normally all this information of a thing not be for everybody, but at a time e still get people when e be like say e dey help. That is why we the bloggers always try our best to make things easy so that other people when not fit dey go dey lis ten to information, they go know how it dey happen. So that is just it in the area of Italy. So that is what I have stated so far. So try to protect yourself, get yourself this mask, and then when you dey outside, try to wear them anyhow where it be, just to avoid a story that touches. So that is just it. Now let's go for the one of Germany. We'll see how it take place.
Prince TV.
For German side, una always dey complain say why we not dey talk about what dey happen for Germany. We go start to give una updates how things still dey happen for na area. Now listening to the latest news which German government have reported so far, listening to what they talk for na area. He said COVID in Germany. German health authorities have reported 12,515 new coronavirus infection in the past 24 hours. This is what I've stated so far. There are a lot of articles here. Now, if you dey for Germany, get am for mind say una side sef na even worse pass Italian side. So anywhere when una dey, France, Switzerland, Norway, Spain, you have to get it in mind that European base, this coronavirus is still they use their eye till they see something. So you need to try your best to put on your mask, try to avoid story that touches, just like when we explained for the Italian side. So have it in mind that your government have already now reported that 12,515 new coronavirus infections in the past 24 hours. I don't worry go forward. There are many things because all the story na just still the same. And just to let una know say una still need to know how movement go dey be. Make sure say you wear your mask. It is very very much important for you. So if you dey watch us for Germany, try to type your country name German. You keep your flag there. Man know whether una plenty. If you go fit dey give una updates wetin dey happen for Germany, more will know, because they said majority always win the vote. That is why you see that we talk what happens here in Italy, because almost all the subscribers here are from Italy. So you when they watch for Italian side, I beg keep your city where for they watch, whether na Lazio, Roma, or any of the region or any of the city where they watch. Try to keep there. Like this, you still support the platform. Till next time again we be together. I remain your host here on this platform, Prince TV.